Is your resume getting overlooked by recruiters and hiring companies? Is your resume just not making it to that first interview? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share the resume mistakes to avoid and to ensure your resume is not passed on. I'm Rita, Baroody, career success coach. I've helped thousands of professionals just like you land great opportunities faster and more efficiently. And I'm here to share the best strategies with you to make sure you are that top candidate. Let's get right into it. Resume mistake number 1. Emphasizing experience that is not relevant to the job that you are targeting. And what do I mean by this? Hiring companies and recruiters, they may have 20 to 30 seconds to review your resume. If they don't see direct alignment with the job that they are hiring for, it's going to make it so hard for them to keep reading or reach out to you. So what do you want to do here? You want to avoid emphasizing anything that is not relevant to the actual job, not relevant to what you are targeting in your job search. You want to remove stale dated items that do not relate to the job, do not relate to that role. You will make it super easy for the hiring manager, the hiring company to move forward when you have relevant experiences and you don't make the mistake of incorporating anything that they can't fully understand, that does not relate. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm here to help you land a job faster, more efficiently, and I'm committed to helping you be that top candidate. Resume mistake number 2, keyword stuffing. What does this mean? Do not put just words that align to the job. So you're just writing words that you feel can get picked up by the ATS. When a recruiter, a hiring company looks at that, for example, these right here, just putting a lot of skills, a lot of words in a skills section is not going to land you a job, is not going to land you an interview. What will land you the interview is if you incorporate keywords in your experience section of your resume, adding more context. Basically, you want to make sure that they can understand the impact that you've had through your technical skills, not to just state words on a resume. That does not hold any weight. This might get some people a little upset, but resume writers, a lot of them suggest you do this, and I do not. This is coming from many, many years, 15 years of my recruiting and hiring experience. What holds the most weight and how you can get that hiring company to move forward is to incorporate it into your experience section and not just keyword stuffing your resume. Resume mistake number 3, not staying concise. Now, remember, the hiring company might only have 20 to 30 seconds to review your resume and to assess alignment with the job they are hiring for. So again, how can you make their life easier? Don't go on and on in your resume. Make sure you are staying concise with whatever you are stating. Make sure that you're not explaining too much, but that you are emphasizing the impact that you had on the jobs that you were in within the companies that you worked for. Emphasize any metrics, any X% that you improved a process, X% that you increased revenue, X% that you increased the overall success of the team. Those metrics could really help. And you will stay more concise versus explaining everything that you've done. You're staying concise by leveraging a metric. If you can't leverage a metric, ensure that you are emphasizing your overall impact. Again, they want to hear the impact, your technical impact. And then it will help them move forward more quickly. Let's take it one step further. This is a huge hack that I share with my students in my job search optimization program that helps them land a job faster. Assess the chronological order of the bullet points that you have on your resume. Chronologically, you want those top 2 bullets, the first and second bullet points, to directly align to the job. That's staying concise, and it's going to help the reviewer, the hiring company, move forward so quickly. You will be shocked at the chronological order, how that can help them really move forward that much more quickly. If you're tired of getting rejected by employers and ready to land your next great opportunity faster, I've put together a free guide that walks you through the exact steps you need to take to land that job faster for you to be identified as that best candidate. Comment guide, and I will send you a direct link to grab it. Resume mistake number 4, errors all over your resume. Whether it's formatting, grammar, spelling, ensure you always double check your resume. If you need a second review, ask a friend, ask someone that maybe is at a higher level. Can you please review my resume? You might not catch something on your resume that is so minor, yet can affect a hiring company moving forward. They do not like to see errors. I've heard it so many times. Why is this professional have so many errors on their resume? Why do they have so many mistakes? That is something you can avoid. So let's quickly do that. Let's also walk through what I mean by this as well. Let's quickly go through this resume. Now, if you use your spell check, sometimes, not sure why, it might miss certain spelling errors. For example, this one right here. If you had reviewed, maybe you would not have caught this, and maybe the spell check sometimes does not catch certain items. But implemented is spelled incorrectly in 2 specific spots. That's why having a second review, someone else to just read it, maybe they can catch something. Another error to avoid on your resume is the formatting, huge error, and it's visually unappealing to the hiring company. Look at how these bullet points are aligned. Then look at how these are aligned. This is not looking very good. The hiring company, even though this person is actually a great, smart professional, they're a CPA, they are not showing their best self here. So this is a huge error. Please avoid this. Another item, since we're on this resume, do not just put one line for a bullet point without giving or showing an impact that you've had. For example, managed this valuation. That doesn't mean anything. What was the impact? What was the success that you had? Explain it to the hiring company. It's going to entice them, influence them to move forward. I know this from 15 years of my recruiting and hiring experience. You have to put a little bit more color around that. Another error that is unfortunate and definitely can be a mistake. Notice how in this section, there are no periods after each bullet point. Now, when you go to this section, there are periods after each bullet point. You want to ensure that there is consistency across your entire resume. Quick story. I was helping a great professional who I thought had a great resume that emphasized the skill set that the hiring company was looking for. Yet, when the hiring company reviewed her resume, they caught some minor errors. I thought they were super minor. But I was taken back when they mentioned, oh, the consistency in this resume is just not there. They were confused why there were periods here, periods there, no periods here. And it was shocking to me that held weight in the review process. So I always mention and pay attention to these errors now, because I didn't even think that these errors really would make or break hiring company moving forward, especially if that person had the right technical skill set. So that's why I say to you, please avoid making these minor errors. Re-review your resume. Have someone else look at it, and they might catch something that you don't see. Resume mistake number 5. Not including your LinkedIn profile URL. If you've followed me for quite some time, you know that your LinkedIn profile can land you that job as long as it's fully optimized. If you have fully optimized your LinkedIn profile, make sure that by your name, right underneath your contact information, that you have the URL to your LinkedIn profile. This will help gain confidence. This will help the hiring company gain confidence that you are a great fit, because now they have a second reference they're going to, your LinkedIn profile. They're seeing your activity, they're seeing all of your great accomplishments in a different space that is on the internet, which hopefully resembles your best self. And they can visually see your great professional LinkedIn profile picture that will help them move forward. Since you stayed till the end, I know you are very committed to landing that next great opportunity. I would love to personally help you through my job search optimization program. I've gathered the best insights and strategies to help you land that next opportunity faster. If you are interested in personalized support from myself, I would love to help you. Please comment, "I need your help," and I will send you the link to directly apply. Make sure to watch more of my resume tips to land that interview.